How to get verified on Amazon Music. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this video. For this, make sure that to head over to your Amazon website and log in to your account if you have not already. Once logged in, hover around your account section, which will be at the very top, or the username icon at the very top. Now once you tap on it, you will see drop down menu with a lot of options. You have to select on the option of Prime membership and accounts. Then, when you head to your Prime membership and account, you will see a section titled called Digital Music and Video. You have to tap on that section, where you will see an option of Manage Your Music Library. When you tap on it, you will see an option of Verify Your Account. If verification is not required, you'll be good to go. However, if verification is needed, you have to follow the on-screen prompt instructions given to you, which might involve entering a code sent to your phone number or email address. Once you enter the code, you'll be verified for your Amazon Music account. And congratulations for that. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.